Powerful grader. Keep seeing the result. Keep seeing the result. Look the process how it is bringing the machine to its initial position. Look. Look. They had brought this into the. We are preparing the sub. This is the grader. All biggest ones. This is down. We have arranged some. Wow. Wow. Look at this roller. Wow. Jai roller. Compaction is being done. You can see. This is the marble roller. This is the base coat preparation. And this is the two-wheeled roller. The weight is generally 15 to 22 ton. Friend, so this is the perfect method of compacting the road. This is the perfect method of compacting the road. So this is out. Roller. This is out. Compaction is gone. So this is the method. First, we apply water, then we apply roller. So this is the process, real process of compaction. This is the best perfect method. Hi friend. So this is the perfect method of compacting the road. This is the perfect method of compacting the road. Simply this design. So this is out. Roller. This is out. Compaction is gone. So this is the method. First, we apply water, then we apply roller. So this is the process, real process of compaction. This is the best perfect method. Grader in the world. You can see this. You can see this. It is the most powerful one. Wow. We're preparing subs. But right with them. Wow. So this is out. Roller. This is out. Compaction is gone. So this is the method. First, we apply water, then we apply roller. So this is the process, real process of compaction. This is the best perfect method.